Here's the refreshmental thought of the day. When your son comes home, it's an array, a stream of various emotions. Hugs, kisses, and side by side a lot of catch too. Don't go partying all night. Make use of the day. Meet all the elders of the family. And then a quick repartee from him. মাম্মা চুপ করো, আবার তুমি শুরু হয়ে গেলে, আবার তুমি শুরু করে দিলে। এই জন্যই আমার বেশি দিন বাড়ি থাকতে ভালো লাগে না। But all this is actually wrapped in a thick wall, in a fencing, in a mesh of love. And this is perhaps the language that we understand, our language of love, and nobody can take it away from us. So whenever your children come, always focus on the emotion and the feeling behind these words, but not on the words so much. Think about this and enjoy your days with your children.